So hello teachers, welcome back to our channel Roshni Education and आज इस वीडियो में we will discuss about class 10th English new syllabus. As you know, CBSE has announced new pattern and syllabus. So accordingly, we are going to look into that. Let's move to syllabus. How the syllabus has been divided. Firstly, there are three sections divided. Number 1, reading skills. Number 2, writing skills and grammar. And number 3, literature textbooks and supplementary reading book. Reading skills have been a portion 50 period, means reading skill contain comprehension, unseen passages and all, and it will cover 50 periods of total time. And then grammar covers 60 period of total time. And then textbook, which is the books from where chapters are taken, they are 60 periods. Now let's move forward to the reading pattern. Reading pattern in the exam in part A section would constitute 20 marks. And how this 20 marks has been divided. Number 1, MCQ will be there, 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. There would be 12 MCQs and you have to answer 10. Again, second para would be MCQ, and out of that also 12 question would be there and 10 you have to answer. So both will cover 10 marks. MCQ pattern of unseen passage will be seen this time. And then come to literature part. In literature, again MCQ based from the drama or prose chapter. From the chapter there would be some passage and out of that you have to do the MCQ parts. Second point, MCQ based on poetry. From poetry also there would be one extract and you have to search MCQ from that. Here also choice has been given. There would be two extract and you have to choose one, and each will be of 5 marks each. Then let's move to grammar. In grammar also there are 10 MCQ questions related to the following chapters. Basic chapters of grammar are tenses, modals, subject verb, reported speech, command and request, statement, determiner, use of passive voice, clauses and preposition. So out of these chapter 10 MCQ will be there. So total there would be 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 MCQ would be there out of 100 marks paper. Let's move to the writing part. In writing there would be an informal letter which would be of 5 marks, and then story writing would be there which will again be of 5 marks. And then from literature there would be 4 out of 6 short answer type, 4 out of 6 short answer type, one would be 2 out of 3 would be from behave and 2 out of 3 would be from movement. Again 40 to 50. There are two type of short answers. First one are 20 to 30 words and second one are 40 to 50 words. From both there would be total 12 questions and out of 12 we have to answer 4. Then come to long answer type. There would be one long answer question of 100 and 120. Again there would be one long answer question in which you have to plot the theme, theme wise or character sketch to be drawn. One would be passage based, like from the chapter there would be one question and another would be on someone character or pen sketch. Then they are also 5 marks each. And what are the prescribed books that has been issued by NCERT are Behave, Movements and Word and Expression workbook. So this is all about the new pattern. Hope you found it something interesting, because this time MCQs has been provided. And if you want this PDF, again there is one first flight for class 10th and footprint without feet, supplementary reader and word and expression workbook for class 10th. So there are 6 books depending upon your school. Both books have the same pattern. that MCQ 40 marks and 60 marks narrative. Hope you have found this video helpful, and if you want this PDF, I will share the link below. You can check it out. Thanks for watching this video.